Hello, friends. How are you once again? This is multiple choice set 22 of the refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal practice questions. So, right away, starting with number one. Number one, to determine sensible heat added above saturation, which one must be checked? A. Current draw. B. Voltage drop. C. Voltage unbalance. D. Inductance. Correct answer is A. Current draw. Number 2. Indoor air quality can be blank by excessive humidity of supply air. A. Increased. B. Maintained. C. Reduced. Or D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Reduced. Number 3. An electrical hygrometer measures humidity through variations in blank of a fine layer of a semiconductor device. A. Pressure. B. Resistance. C. Voltage. Or D. Capacitance. Correct answer is B. Resistance. Number 4. Which is a factor that influences insulation resistance? A. Temperature. B. Humidity. C. Duration or time. D. Purity of insulation material. Or E. All of the above. Correct answer is E. All of the above. Number 5. Moisture reacts with halogen type refrigerants to form hydrochloric acid and hydrofluoric acid. Is this statement A. True, B. False, C. Sometimes, or D. None of the above? Correct answer is A. True. Number 6. Infrared leak detector is an accurate technology in which blank is are applied to detect refrigerant. A. Radio waves. B. Sound waves. C. Infrared light. Or D. None of the above? Correct answer is C. Infrared light. Number 7. Torque of the motor varies as the square of the A. Supply voltage. B. Current. C. Power factor. Or D. Resistance. Correct answer is A. Supply voltage. Number 8. Blank is the ratio of actual power in kilowatts to the apparent power in kilovolt amperes. A. Efficiency. B. Power factor. C. Horsepower. Or D. Conductivity. Correct answer is B. Power factor. Number 9. Centrifugal switch is used to disconnect start winding once motor reaches blank percent of run speed. A. 50%, B. 60%, C. 40%, or D. 75%. Correct answer is D. 75% of run speed. Number 10, last question. Which of the following is an electronically commutated motor or ECM designed to do? A. Maintain constant speed. B. Provide high starting torque. C. Control static pressure. Or D. Provide proper airflow under varying conditions. D is the correct answer. Provide proper airflow under varying conditions. Okay, this is it for this set, and I'll see you again in the next video. Cheers and have a good one.